with highest honors. Gold medalist, Best in Filipino, Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in MAPE, Best in Araling Panlipunan, Best in Computer, Best in TLE, Most Diligent.
Good day, everyone. To our guest speaker, Dr. Edwidja B. Bergado, to the president of our school, Sir Abner Aquino, to our board of directors, to our principal, Dr. Emmanuel D. Ramos, our advisor, Ma'am Rose Joy Arnes, the members of the faculty, my classmates, the rest of the graduating students, and especially to our dear parents, welcome to all of you as we celebrate our graduation for this batch 2023 to 2024. Everyone is looking forward for this day, so this is a big day for all of us. Throughout our lives, we have experienced failures and successes that had given us the key to unlock a new chapter. It is sad to say that not all of us will be able to see each other like we used to. For now, we now have our own paths to our dreams that we have been longing for. So, this is the last time that I can connect with you all in this very moment as I stand here to say thank you to all of my classmates and friends for the memories that we have shared for years, which helped everyone grow and survive the challenges in our junior high school as we enjoy every moment of it. All of those endless chicas and parenting sessions with my baby girls, shout out sa inyo, mga magagandang babae na kaupo sa harapan ko. Kayo yan. The friendly advices and deep talks with my dear friends, especially sa mima kong si KB. Plans of gala na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin natin nagagawa. The random games that we play every time we're bored, especially that time when we had a water gun fight during the rain. And mamimiss ko rin ang kaartehan ng dalawa dyan na sina Angel at Lee. Char! Kahit saan man mapadpad ang grade 10Bs, naway hindi natin makalimutan ang isa't isa. Also, I will never forget the non-stop jokes and stories of teachers during class, and most importantly, their daily quotes that motivated us to never give up, for there will always be room for improvements. I would like to say thank you to all of our teachers, especially our advisor, Ma'am Rose, for making our dreams possible through their patience and hard work despite sa aming kakulitan at daldalan. I know this sounds cliche, but they really became our second parent. We appreciate how much they care for each and every one of us, na kahit yung simpleng pangangamusta nila tulad ng, kamusta kayo mga bata? Nakauwi na ba ang lahat? Any violent reactions for this quarter? At pakikinig sa mga unexpected grants po namin ay naiparamdam niyo po ang pagmamahal niyo sa amin. Shoutout po sa lahat na naging teachers po namin from nursery to grade 10. Obviously, I am truly a product of Nugent, and I am proud of it. All of these I will always treasure, even the smallest things that made me laugh, cry, and touch me by heart. I will always be thankful for the friendships we share, hoping that we stay in touch and that we can all support each other. Of course, I will never forget to give thanks to the most selfless people in the world. They sacrifice everything just to give me and my brother a better life. Never po nilang pinaramdam sa akin ang pressure sa aking pag-aaral. They are always there to support and inspire me to become a better person. From the very beginning and until the very end of this journey, they have been by my side. Through it all, they witness my peaks and valleys. Every day, all they think about is how to make us happy and love. I didn't do anything in return, but
but they always chose to do everything in the way possible. I'm very sorry if I often misunderstand the things that they do just to protect. Being a parent is never easy, but I know their love for me is real, and I appreciate it more than my words can express. Mommy and Daddy, sorry, I want to let you know how God blessed me for having the best parents in the world. And thank you for always being there for me. I love you both with all my heart po. Thank you to all of my family, Mamita, Papito, Grandma, Grandpa, Tita E and Tita Gia, Tita Angie, and to all of my relatives, especially to my brother Ashlan, and my friends from other school that also became my cheerleaders throughout this journey. Shoutout po kay Yuki, Nicole, L.A., and Lorraine. Kahit bihira lang kami makapag-usap, never namin nakakalimutan ng isa't isa. Lastly, I want to say how grateful I am to God, who is my strength, my safe place, and responsible for making all of these possible. Thank you, God, for allowing these people to come into my life that have shaped me to what I am right now. I know there's so many different mixed emotions that are going on with us right now. Some of us feel fulfilled. Some of us feel sad or nervous for what's the next step. Some of us feel like we should have done better. So, let me share this beautiful message from Father King during Baccalaureate Mass that I'm sure all of us will be inspired. Each end brings a new beginning, just as there is a new beginning in every end. We should never give up on ourselves even when things seem hopeless. If hindi natin nakuha ngayon, why not next time? It is never too late to strive to be better, because you'll never know when better things will come to you, or better than you could ever imagine. Every challenge we face gives us an opportunity to grow and learn, and to become an even better version of ourselves than before. Each step leads to a new place, and each step has the potential to bring you closer to your destination. There's always a chance for us to be better, so never give up as we step into a new chapter. So, no pressure dahil marami pang pagdadaanan. Padayon grade 10, I am proud of each and every one of us, and I wish everyone the best of luck. Thank you, and may God bless us all. Batch 2023 to 2024. Again, congratulations to everyone.
Celebrating their achievements and their dreams, our graduates will now...